So you want to go viral? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to spill all the tea. Sometimes I'm scrolling on TikTok and I come across a video that just completely captures my attention. It can be as simple as a recipe, a funny cat video, or a life hack. Regardless, I'm tapped in. Then of course, I see that the video has 4 million likes, so clearly I wasn't the only one who was so intrigued. But what helps these seemingly random videos pop off? The answer is a lot simpler than you might think. Obviously, there are no guarantees when it comes to going viral, but I want to give you my top tips for maximizing your chances. Implementing these tips into my own content has helped me go viral several times, so maybe it'll help you too. But before we get into it, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any CapCut tutorials or product updates. You subscribed, right? Okay, good. Let's get into it. TikTok is obviously a very visual platform, but the FYP also moves very quickly. The thumbs are scrolling fast, so you have to find a way to get your viewers' attention immediately. Make sure that the first 3 seconds of your video has a hook that hooks your viewers right away. Sometimes I use movement as a hook, so the video will begin with me sticking my phone on the window. Yes, I have suction cups on the back of my phone. But the movement kind of jolts the viewer into my content. I see creators do other movement hooks all the time, like applying lip gloss, stirring an iced coffee, or even setting the phone down on the table in front of them. You can always engineer a movement hook while you edit. Head to the transition section and slam your viewers into your content. In a nice way. Effects can also ring that visual alarm for the TikTok scrollers. I like the opening and closing subcategory because these are specifically designed to hook your viewers from the jump. You can also get someone interested with text, specifically colorful, bright, unique text. Let me show you what I'm talking about. We're gonna head over to the text menu and go into the effects subcategory. The trending section here will be your bestie because these are the most popular ways to add text on CapCut. Remember that these are popular for a reason. People are using these text effects that are bright red and green glowing because they're attention grabbing. You can add any of these effects to your video by dragging them down to the timeline. Of course, if you ever want to create your own custom text, just go back up to the add text section and drag down the default text. Then, here on the right side of your screen, you'll be able to change the look and feel of your text in your own unique way. Adding transitions, effects, and text that makes your video more dynamic will definitely increase your chances of going viral. Now that we've got the visuals figured out, let's talk about the audio element. You can create the most visually pleasing video ever, but if the sound isn't equally as engaging, people will scroll away. Let's head into the audio menu. The trending section here is major. These are the most popular songs on CapCut. I definitely recommend using these in your video. If you're doing an outfit of the day, throw a trending song on top of it. There's a trending section under sound effects as well. A lot of people are using this cheering sound effect right now, so throw it in your video wherever it makes the most sense. Participating in trends is a great way to get a lot of views on your video, but it's also a great way to engage with the TikTok community. The last thing I want to talk about is captions. This is for my storytime creators, my vloggers, my chefs. Anyone who talks in their video needs to be using captions. They ensure that your video is accessible, which is going to increase your audience. Captions can also keep your viewer engaged because they add another visual element that is constantly changing. Within the text window, there's an auto captions subcategory where CapCut will transcribe your video into captions, and you can do this in multiple languages. Once your captions are created, it's time to spice them up to make them more engaging. My top viral tip when it comes to captions is breaking them up into smaller chunks or even single words. When you do this, your captions are constantly moving, which maintains your viewers' attention on a nearly subconscious level. Let's watch this clip from my video with the normal auto captions. Now, let's click into the caption and head to the captions tab on the right side of the screen. Here, all of my captions are listed out just as they show up in my video. If I click into these and press the enter key, it will create a new line in the captions. So let's go through and break these up into lines that are only 2 to 4 words long. Now, let's watch the same clip with my new captions. They move a lot more quickly and it creates a feeling of speed in my video even though I'm just standing in front of the camera and talking normally. Captions are an easy way to keep someone's attention for an extended period of time. This is the key to going viral. If people are watching your video for a long time, the algorithm will know that the video is interesting and engaging and it will go even farther. Okay, I've given you all of my best tips for going viral. Now all there's left to do is make that content and watch the views and engagement roll in. Comment down below once you go viral so that we can check out your content and let us know what else you'd like us to talk about on here. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye. Ready to release your inner editing wizard? Click that subscribe button and let the magic continue.